Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm about to show you something that feels like it came straight from the future. This is not just any RV or camper van. This is the world's most super luxury motorhome, the all-new GMC Electric Motorhome 2027. And trust me, once you see this beast, you'll realize it's not just a vehicle. It's a moving mansion designed for people who love luxury, innovation, and freedom on the road. From the very first look, you know this thing is special. The body design looks like it's been sculpted by the wind itself. Smooth, aerodynamic, and futuristic. The entire exterior is finished in high-gloss black with sleek red lighting details that glow like neon lines running across the body. It gives a sci-fi vibe that instantly grabs your attention. GMC really went bold with this design. It's elegant yet powerful, modern yet timeless. The front look is straight-up stunning. The front grille is replaced with a digital LED display that glows with the GMC logo and adjusts brightness based on the lighting conditions. The headlights are ultra-thin laser beams that blend into the body seamlessly. There are also intelligent sensors embedded all around, giving it a full 360-degree awareness for self-driving and parking assistance. And because it's an electric motorhome, there's no need for a big air intake. The front is all about style, aerodynamics, and advanced tech. Move to the side, and you'll notice the massive set of alloy wheels, each one looking like a piece of art. They're 28-inch forged rims with custom red inserts, wrapped in high-performance, low-resistance tires that help maximize electric range. Even the wheel covers have integrated LED rings that light up when the vehicle moves, giving it that ultra-premium, futuristic motion effect you only see in concept vehicles. The back look is equally jaw-dropping. The rear lights form a continuous LED strip that stretches across the full width, with animated light patterns when you brake or turn. The back also houses a hidden charging port for both electric and solar input. Yes, that's right. This GMC motorhome is fully electric but also powered by solar energy. The roof is covered with next-generation solar panels that charge the main battery during the day. So even if you're camping off-grid, you'll never run out of power. Let's talk about what powers this beast. Underneath, there's a dual-motor all-wheel drive electric system producing around 1,200 horsepower. That means this huge luxury home on wheels can go from 0 to 60 in just under 5 seconds, which is insane for a vehicle of this size. The range is equally impressive, up to 750 miles on a full charge, and even more when solar assist kicks in. It's quiet, powerful, and completely emission-free. GMC designed it to be smooth on highways and stable on rough terrains, so whether you're driving through city streets or mountain roads, it feels like gliding. Now, when you step inside, the real magic begins. The doors open automatically with soft close sensors, and as you walk in, you're welcomed by ambient lighting that adjusts to your mood. The floor is finished with premium marble texture, and the walls have soft touch panels with integrated smart controls. The main living area looks more like a luxury apartment than a motorhome. There's a large L-shaped leather sofa, a fold-out dining table made from oak wood, and a massive panoramic window that brings the outside world right into your space. The kitchen area is something every traveler dreams of. It's a fully functional smart kitchen equipped with an induction cooktop, a compact dishwasher, a full-size refrigerator, and even a built-in coffee machine. There's an AI-assisted voice system that helps manage appliances. Just say, "Make me coffee," and it starts brewing. Everything is energy efficient and powered directly from the battery and solar system. Next comes the bedroom, and wow! GMC took comfort to a new level. There's a full-size memory foam bed with temperature control, soft LED reading lights, and even a skylight above that lets you stargaze at night. The interior lighting automatically dims to create a calm, sleeping environment. The bedroom has its own smart entertainment system with surround sound, a 50-inch retractable screen, and wireless charging ports built into both sides of the bed. The washroom is another masterpiece. It comes with a rainfall shower, touch-free water controls, a smart mirror that can show weather, navigation, or even play music, and a compact yet luxurious toilet setup. The materials used are high-end, from brushed aluminum fixtures to water-resistant marble tiles. Every inch feels thoughtfully designed for comfort and luxury. One of the coolest things is the automation. The GMC Electric Motorhome 2027 runs on an AI-powered smart home system. You can control lighting, temperature, entertainment, or even the blinds through voice commands or the touchscreen control hub in the center. It also syncs with your phone, so even when you're outside, you can adjust settings or check power status remotely. The driving cabin is like stepping into a spacecraft. The seats are ergonomic, fully electric, and have massaging functions. The dashboard is a wide OLED display that shows everything from navigation to real-time energy stats. Instead of traditional side mirrors, you have digital cameras that display on side screens, giving you a crystal-clear 360-degree view. The steering wheel folds flat when in autonomous mode, allowing the driver to relax or even turn around to chat with passengers while the vehicle drives itself. Performance-wise, it's not just luxury, it's pure engineering brilliance. The motorhome adapts to different terrains automatically, adjusting suspension height and tire pressure for comfort. It's equipped with an advanced regenerative braking system that converts braking energy back into battery power. The solar panels can add an average of 60 extra miles per day under good sunlight, making it perfect for long road trips through the US, Canada, or the UK countryside. The sound insulation is top-notch. When you're inside, it's almost silent. No road noise, no vibration, just peaceful luxury travel. There's also a built-in air purification system and temperature control that keeps the air fresh and clean no matter where you go. And now, the price. A masterpiece like this doesn't come cheap. The GMC Electric Motorhome 2027 is expected to cost around $2.8 million, making it one of the most expensive and most luxurious motorhomes ever built. But for people who can afford it, it's not just transportation. It's a statement of futuristic living, freedom, and power combined in one. Imagine driving across the states, through the Canadian Rockies or along the coast of the UK, and every time you park, you're not just stopping. You're living in five-star comfort on wheels. You have your kitchen, your bedroom, your entertainment, and your freedom, all powered by clean energy. That's the future GMC is creating. What makes it truly stand out is how it blends power, technology, and design. It's not trying to look like a traditional motorhome. It's redefining what a luxury vehicle can be. Every detail, from the glowing wheels to the sleek glass panels and ambient interior, screams perfection. And when you see it under evening lights, it literally looks like a spaceship ready to take off. So, guys, that's the world's most super luxury motorhome, the GMC Electric Motorhome 2027. A revolution in design, sustainability, and comfort. GMC has not just built a motorhome. They've built the future of travel. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you don't miss the latest futuristic vehicle reviews. And if you loved this video, drop a like. It really helps the channel grow and tells me you want more content like this. Tell me in the comments, where would you take this beast first? The desert, the mountains, or the city? Alright guys, that's all for today. Thanks for watching till the end, and I'll catch you in the next one with another mind-blowing futuristic vehicle. Till then, stay inspired, drive electric, and dream big. This is your host signing off. See you soon.